This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your device Wi-Fi is on and airplane mode is off. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to force a fresh scan. This often surfaces hidden networks. Restarting the router for 30 seconds clears temporary glitches, so power it off then on. Make sure you are within reasonable range and reduce interference from microwaves or thick walls. If networks still don't appear, note any recent changes, like new hardware or firmware updates, before proceeding. Next, you dive into configuration. Log into the router and confirm SSID broadcast and 4 GHz are enabled, since some devices can't see 5 GHz. Once done, update your device's Wi-Fi drivers, or, if a recent update caused problems, roll back to a prior driver to restore visibility. Make sure to forget old networks on your device and perform a fresh scan. If you use a VPN or custom DNS, temporarily disable them to rule out software filtering while you test connectivity. Finally, try advanced remedies. Release and renew DHCP leases or assign a temporary static IP to see if the network appears. This helps when DHCP fails. Verify router-level access controls like MAC filtering, firewall blocks, or parental controls, and disable them briefly. If nothing works, export your router settings, then perform a factory reset and reconfigure. That often clears stubborn issues. One key tip: test with another device. If another device sees the network, focus on your device. If not, the router or ISP is likely the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.